Hello students, welcome in 12 Computer Science lecture paper 2. Student, today we are going to start new chapter in paper 2, that is instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor. This chapter is next part of first chapter. Already in previous lectures we have completed first chapter, introduction of microprocessor and organization of 8085 microprocessor. Students, these two chapters are very important. This is not a separate chapter, just divide in two chapters or two sessions. So, student, one thing is remember, both chapter is very important and it is compulsory because 50 marks practical depends on it. So, students, before going to start instructions in 8085 microprocessor, first we will see the basic terms or basic concepts which is used in every instructions. In this session, we will see the instruction formats. To start the coding process, programmer must know the instructions and their formats supported by the processor used in the system. Now let us see what do you mean by opcode and operand. This is the basic concept or basic thing in 8085 microprocessor. Now student, each machine has its own instruction set based on the design of each CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Similarly, for a microprocessor, there exists its own instruction set. In 8085 microprocessor, each instruction have a specific opcode which is used at the practical time. We will see by later. But student, one thing is remember, what do you mean by opcode and operand? Why it is called as opcode and why it is called as operand? Now let us see opcode. An instruction is a combination of bit pattern. What do you mean by bit? Bit nothing but binary bits. Binary bits means only two numbers are there, either 1 or 0, means combination of 1 and 0, it is called as bit pattern. So each instruction is a combination of bit pattern. Normally in 8085 microprocessor, each instruction can be viewed as a collection of two parts. In 8085 microprocessor, each instruction can be divided or can be viewed as a collection of two parts. Now which two parts? See, in first part, which gives the task to be performed, called as opcode. Tasks to be performed. What do you mean by task? Task means a collection of instructions. So it is called as opcode. Now what do you mean by opcode? See, basic meaning of opcode. Opcode means operation code. Opcode means operation code. Now the opcode, basic meaning of opcode is unique for each instruction. See, the opcode is unique for each instruction and contain the information about operation, register to be used, memory to be used, etc. This is called as opcode. The 8085 microprocessor identifies all operations, registers and flags with specific code or specific opcode. How to identify in 8085 microprocessor, which is register, which register is used, which flag is used, which instruction is used. It indicates by its specific opcode, because in 8085 microprocessor only opcode will be entered. Which instruction, whatever in program or whatever in any program, so many instructions are there, that instructions converted into opcode using opcode sheet. Opcode sheet will be given at the last page of your textbook, and this opcode only used for practically. In exam, board exam, don't write opcode, and this opcode sheet at the board exam available to you. Okay, so don't think about that, how to remember these all opcodes and all instructions for all opcodes. So don't remember, so don't think about that. First see what do you mean by opcode. So in 8085 opcode means operation code. In microprocessor, how to identify this register. Now you know very well what is register, what is flags. How many registers in 8085 microprocessor? 6 registers, 6 general purpose registers are there, which B, C, D, E, H and L. These are 6 general purpose registers are used in 8085 microprocessor. Now flags, 5 flags are there, which carry parity flag, auxiliary carry flag, sign flag and zero flag. Now how to indicate these register, flags or operations? Operations mean, for example, addition, for example, subtraction, for example, increment operation, decrement operation, like this. How to indicate this or how to identify these operations? Using specific opcode. Okay student. Now second part is operand, because each instruction consists of opcode and operand. Now in other part gives the data to be operated on called as operand. Data to be operated on means whatever which register is used in that instruction or flags or operations, it is called as operand. The operand can be specified in various ways. In 8085 microprocessor, 3 different ways are specified in operand. Now see one by one. Before that, see opcode sheet. This is a opcode sheet, and this opcode sheet available at last page on your textbook. See properly. 75 instructions in 8085 microprocessor, all instructions opcode given in this opcode sheet, because if instruction is used but at the practical time just opcode will be entered related to that instruction. So this is a opcode sheet, and this opcode sheet provide at practical time. So don't remember this opcode sheet, just how to use this opcode sheet we will see in later. Now this is a opcode sheet. Suppose this is a opcode, this is a CE opcode. See here, this is a CE opcode, and which instruction here in front of the ACI 8-bit. Now you don't know about this, what is ACI ADC, because in next session in this chapter each instruction we study in next session in detail with example. So CE is a opcode, and this opcode which instruction? ACI 8-bit. So this is a opcode sheet in 8085 microprocessor. Understood student? What do you mean by opcode and operand? Okay. Now see the various ways of instruction formats. There are 3 ways in instruction formats in 8085 microprocessor. First is 1 byte instruction. It is also called as one word. Second is 2 byte instruction. It is also called as two word. And third is 3 byte instruction. It is also called as 3 word. Now first see the what do you mean by word. Word is a group of bits. Now you know bit. Bit means either 0 or 1 or combination of 0 and 1. So word is a group of bits. Now in case of 8085 microprocessor, a word means an 8-bit group. See, a word means an 8-bit group. Means combination of 8 bits, either 0 or 1, which is called as a byte. Which is called as a byte. Means 1 byte is equal to how many bits? 8 bits. I think you know this very well. 1 byte is 8 bits. Then 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. Okay. So this 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Means 1 word. Now for 2 word, 2 byte means 2 word. 3 byte means 3 word. Understood, student? What do you mean by word? Word nothing but a group of bits. And 1 word means 8-bit group. It is also called as 1 byte. 1 byte means it is also called as collection of 8 bits. So second 2 byte means 2 words. 3 bytes means 3 words. Because in this 8085 microprocessor only 3 formats are 1 byte, 2 byte and 3 byte. Understood, student? What do you mean by word or bit, byte, 1 word, 2 word, 3 word? Okay. Now see one by one, 1 byte instruction. First see the 1 byte instruction. Now you know 1 byte. 1 byte means 8 bit. 8 bit means 1 word. Okay. So 1 byte instruction, what is the format? See, only opcode is there. Now you know what do you mean by opcode. Opcode means operational code. Okay. This is a 1 byte. Now the first byte is always the opcode. Means if 1 byte is there, then only opcode is there. This requires only 1 byte to store in memory. If which instruction including in 1 byte, that instruction stored in memory, how many bytes are required? Only 1 bytes are required to store in memory. These instructions are having opcode and operand both in 1 byte. See, these instructions are having opcode and operand. Means if 1 byte instruction, then in this instruction opcode and operand both in 1 byte. This is not separately. Okay. Opcode and operand both in 1 byte. This is not separately. So in 1 byte instruction only opcode is there. Now see the example. Suppose for example move AB. You don't know about what is move AB. Then whatever example in these formats, we will see this instruction in detail in later. Okay. So for this is the instruction move AB. Move AB means move B register contents to accumulator. A means accumulator. See one more example, add B. In addition of add means addition. Addition of B register content with accumulator. Okay. Inbuilt here add B, instruction inbuilt here accumulator. Always accumulator store result. So after execution this instruction store the result in accumulator. First just see here. This is a move AB and add B. In this move AB, total information, for this total information give the opcode. For add B, this total information give the opcode. Means in this move AB and add B, both opcode and operand in 1 byte. Understood, student? What do you mean by 1 byte instruction? Means, see, in short, if 1 byte instruction, then in this instruction no data or no address. Okay. Now see the next 2 byte instruction. 2 byte instruction means 2 words. 2 byte instruction means 2 words. See the format: opcode and operand. Now another format is opcode or data or address. See the opcode, it is for opcode first byte is required. Data and address second byte is required. Means in 2 byte instruction 2 word. It is also called as 2 word and it requires how many bytes? 2 bytes are required. Now see, in 2 byte instruction the second byte is usually data. What do you mean by data? Data means any, means for example 05 is a data, 08 is a data, 22 is a data. It is called as a data. So in this instruction the second byte is usually data. See here, in second byte always use data. Understood, student? What do you mean by data? Now see, next point, these instructions require 2 bytes to store in memory. For this instruction 2 bytes are required stored in memory. First byte gives opcode and second byte gives operand, which is generally 8-bit immediate data. First byte gives opcode, second byte gives operand, which is generally 8-bit immediate data. Student, this immediate word is very important. In 8085 instruction, immediate instructions always in 2 byte instructions. Okay. Now next is, see the example ADI. How to guess or how to indicate which instruction is immediate? Those instructions, which instructions means here ADI, I is there, I means immediate. That instruction is called as immediate data. See here, in this instruction 08. 08 is, what is 08? 08 is data. So after 1 byte, second byte is used for data. Here register is right? No. Here address is there? No. Only data. Means either only 8-bit data. Always remember, only 8-bit data. Means see, in this example ADI 08 means add immediate 08 with accumulator. Now second example, see SUI. SUI means subtract 22H. Now see, student, in this example data is 22H. Data is 22H. Now in this example subtract 22H from accumulator content. So students, in 2 byte instruction, whenever data occurred or whenever data followed by instruction or followed by opcode, always remember only data is there. That instruction is called as 2 byte instruction. No register is there or no address is there. Okay, only data. Data may be 8-bit data. See, 08 is a 8-bit data. 22 is a 8-bit data because 2 binary number is 0010. Again 2 0010. That is a 8-bit. 8-bit means, okay, 1 byte. So only 8-bit is, after opcode it is called as 2 byte instruction. Now next is 3 byte instruction. 3 byte instruction is also called as 3 words. So what is the format? See, first is opcode. In every instruction opcode is very important. Because why important? Because every instruction indicates that opcode. Second is, second byte is used for low order 8-bit data or address. Third byte is used for high order 8-bit of data or address. See, opcode, for opcode 1 byte is used, low order 8 bit, 1 more byte is used, means second byte, and third byte is used for high order bit. Means this is a total 3 byte instruction. Okay, total is 3 byte instruction. Means for one byte is required for opcode, 1 byte is required for low order data, and 1 byte is required for high order data. Means total is 3 byte. So this is the format of this 3 byte instruction. Now see, in 3 byte instruction, the last 2 bytes present or 16 bit data. See, 16 bit data, this is very important part. 16 bit. In 2 byte instruction, 8 bit data is there, but in 3 byte instruction, 16 bit data is there. 16 bit data means always address is there. Now see, these instructions require 3 bytes to store in memory. How many memory space required? Only 3 bytes are required to store 3 byte instructions. Okay. Now see, first byte gives opcode and second and third byte gives 16 bit address of memory location. Means this first byte, see here in format, in first byte 1 byte is required and second and third byte 2 byte is required. Here 1 byte, so total is 3 byte is required to total operations or to store the memory. Means first byte gives opcode, second and third byte gives 16 bit address or memory. Now see the example. See here, LDA 7000H. LDA means load accumulator. See here, 7000H. This 7000 means this is a address. 7000H nothing but a address. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. It indicates always address. Remember this, student. If 2 number is there, then data will be there. If 4 number is there, then address. It indicates address. Understood? So here address is there. Whenever address occurred by opcode, that instruction considered a 3 byte instruction. See one more example, STA6060H. See here, in 6060 always address. Okay, it is also address. So STA means stored content at the 6060 memory location. Means 6060 is a memory location. 7000 is a memory location. It is also called as address. Understood, student? What do you mean by 3 byte instruction? In 3 byte instruction, one thing is remember, in 3 byte instruction, no register is there, no 8 bit data is there, only address after the opcode. So that instruction will be considered in 3 byte instruction. Understood? Now see, in short, see, 1 byte means those instructions which do not contain data as well as having no address. See, which do not contain data as well as having no address. Means only in this instruction only register will be there. No data, no address. That instruction considered as a 1 byte instruction. Now second byte instruction means those instructions which contains only 8 bit data. Which contains only 8 bit data. Okay, here no registers or no address will be there. Means if only 8 bit data is there, that instruction will be considered as 2 byte instructions. Now 3 byte instruction means those instruction which contains only address. Those instruction which contains only address means in this instruction only address is there, no 8 bit data or no any register. Okay, if address is there, that instruction will be considered as a 3 byte instruction. Now see the example add B. See here, add B. Add B means here data is there? No. Here address is there? No. So this instruction consider as a 1 byte. Okay, this instruction considered as a 1 byte instruction. See one more example, ADI22H. See in this instruction, what is this 22H? 22H is 8-bit data. If 8-bit data after opcode or after any instruction, that instruction will be 2 byte instruction. Now see STA7050H. See in this instruction 7050H. What is this? Here 4 numbers are there. So 4 numbers indicate as a address. If address is there means that instruction consider as a 3 byte instruction. That instruction consider as a 3 byte instruction. See one more example. Before that, what is high order or low order address? See in 7050, 70 is a high order data and 50 is a low order data. Understood student? In 3 byte instruction we will see the format of 3 byte. First is opcode, second is low order byte data or address, third is a high order data or address. So what do you mean by high order data and low order data? If address is there, address again divided into 2 sections, high order and low order. First 2 digit it is also called as high order data and second 2 digits it is called as a low order data. See one more example, LDA 6066. LDA 6066. 6066 is a nothing but a address or data? Address. Why? Because here 4 numbers will be there. Don't think about add, ADI, STA, LDM. This instruction we will see in detail in later. Okay. In this session, see what do you only think about 1 byte, 2 byte or 3 byte. Okay. If 6066 is 4 numbers are there means it indicates address. So if address occurred in that instruction, consider as a 3 byte instruction. So LDA also 3 byte instruction. Now see low order data or high order data. See third example STA 7050. 50 is a low order data, 70 is a high order data. Now see next example LDA. In LDA 6060 is a 66 is a low order and 660 is a high order data. Okay, understood student? 1 byte means those instructions which do not contain data as well as having no address. And how to guess this is address or data? If address is there, then 4 numbers are there, means like this 7050, 6066, suppose 8000, 9000 like this. Okay, that numbers indicates address. And what about data? Data means only 8 bit. Suppose 22, 06, 03, it indicates data. So second byte means those instruction which contains only 8 bit data and 3 byte means those instruction which contains only address. Understood student? 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte. Now end of this session 1. Okay, thank you student.